Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Cloridorme is a charming little town on the northeastern coast of the Gaspé Peninsula. This peaceful fishing village is known for its stunning coastal views and a strong connection to the sea. Cloridorme is nestled between rugged cliffs and the beautiful waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence, making it a perfect spot for anyone who loves nature and the ocean. Cloridorme has a rich history tied to fishing, which has been the heart of the community for generations. The town's name is believed to come from the French words clore and orme, meaning closed elm, referring to the elm trees that once lined the area. Though small in size, Cloridorme has a warm and welcoming atmosphere that makes visitors feel right at home. Here, you can enjoy coastal walks, visit the local wharf, or just relax and take in the breathtaking sea views.
Thank you very much.
The lighthouse at Cap de la Table is a must-see, offering amazing views of the coastline and a glimpse into the town's maritime heritage. Whether you're here to explore the shoreline, learn about the local fishing history, or simply enjoy the tranquility, Cloridorme is a hidden gem of the Gaspé Peninsula.
you.